Hello, beautiful souls. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's time to get our hair and skin in order. Today, we're diving into how to get holiday hair and skin ready for those special events. You can apply these tips in advance as well to prepare for auspicious events in your life like a wedding, graduations, and anniversaries. We all know festivities are fun. However, the late nights, rich food, long journeys, limited sleep, excessive sun exposure, and a little more indulgence than the norm can take a toll on your body. It's better to prepare your body ahead, both internally and externally, so you can fully enjoy your festivities comfortably while looking your best. Preparation is key to feeling and looking great during the holidays. Here's how. Number 1. Healthy diet. It all starts with what you eat. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can do wonders for your skin and hair. Consume foods high in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as biotin, omega fatty acids, and collagen-boosting foods like bone broth and fish. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key to maintaining healthy skin and hair. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps keep skin plump and hair hydrated from within. Number 3. Juicing. One benefit of drinking raw vegetable juice for healthy hair and skin is that it provides a rich source of vitamins and antioxidants. Raw vegetable juices, such as carrot or beetroot juice, are loaded with vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as various antioxidants like beta-carotene. These nutrients promote skin health by reducing inflammation, boosting collagen production, and protecting against the harmful effects of UV radiation. For hair, these vitamins and antioxidants contribute to a healthy scalp and can stimulate hair growth while enhancing its shine and strength. Personally, I enjoy a glass or two of freshly juiced lemon, carrots, beetroots, ginger, and turmeric, with a dash of black pepper and Himalayan pink salt. Number 4. Skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine is essential. This includes cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. You can use our face serums and body oils as part of your skincare regimen to have bomb skin ready in time for the holiday season. Number 5. Hair care routine. Alongside using a potent nourishing hair growth oil like Hair Manifesto, invest in a good hair care routine that includes regular washing, trimming, and weekly deep conditioning treatments. Number 6. Sun protection. Sunscreen is a must, even in winter. Protect your skin from UV rays with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, and your skin will thank you. A broad-spectrum sunscreen helps to prevent sun damage on your skin. Number 7. Grooming and stress management. Regular grooming and stress management are essential. A fresh haircut, nail care, beard trim, or body or head massage day can do wonders for your confidence and overall well-being. Number 8. Exercise. Regular physical activity can increase blood circulation, which benefits the skin and hair. Start an active lifestyle and maintain your physical exercises during the festive season. Number 9. Rest and sleep. Make sure you're getting enough beauty sleep. A well-rested body has more time to repair and regenerate, leaving you refreshed and radiant. Number 10. Avoid excessive smoking and alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol can accelerate aging and dull your skin. Moderation is key. Number 11. Balanced skincare products. Choose products that match your skin type. Cleansers, serums, toners, and moisturizers tailored to your needs are a game changer. Number 12. Supplements. Sometimes, supplements like biotin, collagen, or omega-3 fatty acids can give your hair and skin a boost. Consult with a professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Number 13. Professional consultation. Seek advice from dermatologists, nutritionists, and hairstylists to address specific beauty concerns that could be health-related and get personalized recommendations. Number 14. Lifestyle choices. Remember, healthy lifestyle choices, such as getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding excessive sun exposure, can significantly impact hair and skin quality. What's more, remember, at Plant-Based Kenya we have a collection of plant-based skin and hair oils that are therapeutic-grade products and are designed to make you feel like the true star. These are effective especially if your concerns include dry, dull, and mature skin. Anti-aging oil-based products can be powerful allies in addressing these concerns. Many oils and herbs used in our products, like green tea, rosehip seed oil, and argan oil, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and other bioactive compounds. These components help to combat free radicals, which contribute to premature aging. Face serums. Use our face serums to revitalize dry, dull, and mature skin and achieve a radiant, bright, and flawless complexion. Our face serums are packed with powerful antioxidants, hydrating, and age-defying ingredients. The serums address a spectrum of age-related concerns, including a dull complexion, dryness, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, diminished elasticity, enlarged pores, textured skin, and the effects of sun damage. It's a great place to start working for the ultimate holiday glow. Hair growth oils. You can turn heads with Lush, healthier hair this holiday season. By using Hair Manifesto, you can start reversing thinning hair, poor scalp health, and damaged strands. Our hair growth oils are enriched with natural, rejuvenating, and nourishing extracts such as green tea, fenugreek, amla, rosemary, castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and peppermint essential oil that promote hair growth, strengthen follicles, and improve scalp wellness. Beard oil. Gentlemen, we have something for you guys. Let your polished beard be the talk of the town. Our beard growth oil keeps facial hair soft, dark, manageable, and irresistibly beautiful. The oil has nurturing and softening oils such as grapeseed oil, lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. You can use it to grow out a healthy, thick, and longer beard. Start today and show off your well-groomed beard at holiday events and leave a lasting impression. Body oil. Yes, your body needs some love too. Our luxurious body oil provides intense hydration, leaving your skin soft and supple, and gives your body a beautiful tone. Need beach-worthy skin? Pro Skin Body Oil improves dry and dull skin, making your body incredibly smooth and soft. It's the secret to feeling as elegant as ever and a ticket to natural radiance. There you have it, your simple guide to getting holiday hair and skin ready. Combine these tips with our incredible skin and hair care oils and you'll be the star of every event. When it comes to achieving beautiful hair and skin, anti-aging oil-based products offer a compelling solution. With their potent blend of natural oils and powerful bioactive compounds, these products provide nourishment, hydration, repair, and radiance. Don't forget to check out our website to see the products. And thanks for watching.